The Cave House, by Chinese studio HyperSity Architects, is a renovation carried out for the TV program Wow Home, commissioned by Ye Liangchen, an internet celebrity living on the Loess Plateau in Shaanxi province, China. The original house was a typical traditional village cave courtyard in poor condition and nearly in ruins. The layout included a main cave, used as a living space to the north, and 3 rigid side caves to the east, serving as bedrooms. Covering an area of just over 50 square meters and with a depth of 11 meters, without a kitchen or bathroom, the main cave space was extremely dark and damp. Given that traditional caves have the advantage of being warm in winter and cool in summer, the design strategy followed the typical structure of these vernacular constructions, while ensuring that all spaces were well ventilated and well lit. The approach was to preserve the caves on the north side and transform the deteriorated caves on the southwest wing into independent spaces facing south, housing a kitchen, bedrooms, storage, dining room, and bathroom. With forms inspired by barrel vaults, curved walls and ceilings on all axes guide transitions between rooms, create openings in the roof, and serve as shading structures. In terms of materials, the construction adopted the traditional rammed earth technique, using clay and sand extracted from the tops of the nearby mountains. As a result, the building acquired a unique texture and color, since rammed earth elsewhere presents different effects depending on the origin of the materials. The use of rammed earth not only respects local building traditions, but also brings the strength and durability of stone combined with the simplicity and warmth of wood. Moreover, this choice significantly helped to reduce construction costs. Beyond improving the living conditions, the concept of the walled courtyard was maintained in the new design, featuring a more dynamic sequence of internal courtyards. These courtyards bring nature closer to the home. The architect aimed to visually and psychologically maximize the sense of outdoor space. Thus, 5 courtyard landscapes were created throughout the site, connected by a zigzagging path inspired by Chinese gardens, creating a tranquil atmosphere and a limitless spatial experience. These spaces also allow natural light and fresh air to reach every room. The preserved main cave was divided into two functions. The inner section was converted into the grandmother's bedroom, while the outer section was transformed into a living room for family gatherings. The main entrance of the cave was redesigned with a wooden structure and a glass curtain, allowing plenty of sunlight to enter. In front of the entrance, a new semi-curved canopy was built to protect against the strong winds coming from northwestern Mongolia. To improve light and ventilation, a circular light well with a diameter of 1.5 meters was created at the center of the cave.